Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin right now by stopping the momentum. Record every purchase for 7 days so you see patterns. Once done, choose one clear goal: cut non-essential buys by 50% this month, because specific targets change behavior. Make impulsive access harder. Remove saved cards from apps and require two-step access or a password you don't keep handy. You'll feel friction. That friction is intentional. It slows reactions and gives you space to decide, not react. Now you construct systems that replace the habit. Use a 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases so urges cool and rational thinking returns. Next, automate an affordable weekly fund budget, say $30, and transfer it on payday, which reduces deprivation and binge risk. Then identify 3 triggers: boredom, stress, sale emails, and write 3 alternative actions for each, like a 10-minute walk, call a friend, or delete the email. These steps change the environment and the response, not just willpower. To finish, solidify gains with weekly reviews. Compare spending to your goal and adjust by 5 to 10% increments to stay realistic. Make accountability social. Tell one trusted person your plan so you have support and a check-in. If you relapse, don't self-blame. Pause, analyze the trigger, and reset one small rule, like extending the 24-hour wait to 72 hours for that vendor. This troubleshooting tip keeps recovery practical and forward-moving, not perfection-focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.